Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So friends, today I will show you how you can see the indexed pages of your website in Google by using a simple command and easy command without help of any SEO tool or any SEO software. This is very simple, friend. You can do it easily, and I will show you here doing practically and on a live website, right? So we are already in google.com. So let us type a keyword, a query. So we'll look further into it. So I am typing flower decorators. Okay, so we'll go with this flower decorators and let us see what are the results. Okay, so here we got the results. So these are the first six results. Is the six pack local listing. We'll ignore this. We'll go to the bottom where the web results start. Yes. So friends, as you can see, the initial few web results are basically these classified websites. So we'll ignore these results. We'll directly go to the website. Yes. Here at the fifth position on the first page, we got this website floriddecorators.com. Okay. So we'll go to this website now. Here it is. Yeah, so now we are in the floriddecorators.com. It's a basically flower decoration website in Bhopal. So this is a website. We don't have to do much about the website. So what I will do now, I will copy this homepage URL, right? Here it is. I've copied the homepage URL link. Now we'll go back to the search bar from where we got into this website. Here it is. Okay, so we are back into the google.com search bar. Now just see carefully what I am doing. So I will first remove the old query. Now I will type the command. Just see what I am typing. Site, SITE, then colon without space. Then without space you have to paste the URL that you have copied. Okay, and now press the search button. Here it is. Now you can see the indexed pages of this website. So for this website, friends, we can see only two pages are indexed by Google. That is the homepage floriddecorators.com, and then it's a booking page. So its two pages are only indexed by Google. So it doesn't matter why this website is still ranking on the first page, just having two pages indexed, because it may be because of the SEO factors. So we'll not get into that. We'll go to other website and see. Okay, so we'll back here in a search query that is flower decorators. Okay, so now friends, we'll go to the bottom and let us check some another website, and let's see how many pages are indexed for that website by Google. Okay, so let's go down further. Here it is. And we are down. Okay, so now friends, let us pick this website, Abhishek Florist. That is abhishekflorist.in. So we'll go into this website. Yes, so we are in the abhishekflorist.in, as you can see. So again, I will repeat the process. First, I will copy the URL. That's homepage URL. Here it is. I've copied the homepage URL. I'll go back to the search bar. Yeah, so we are back in the search bar where we have typed this search query. Now again we'll repeat the process. Okay, so first we'll remove this keyword. Again the command is site, please note down SITE, then without a space colon, then without a space you have to paste the URL that you have copied, right? So site without a space colon, without a space, the URL of the site which I copied. Now paste, you have to press enter or search button. Okay, so here we got in the Abhishek Forest. Again, friends, for this website also, there's only one page, that is homepage indexed by Google. Maybe this website don't have any other pages, that's why Google has indexed only one page. But again, friends, it doesn't matter, because it may be because of some other SEO factors this website is ranked high on the first page of Google. So we'll not get into that. Again, so I will try to show a website in which we got more pages are indexed, so you'll get better idea of it. So again, I back here in the search bar with the same query, flower decorators, right? So now I will pick another website in which probably will see some more pages indexed. So floral decorators we have already seen. Let us pick another website. It is down bottom here. Okay, so we'll pick this website, that is meltingflowers.com. We'll go into this website, right? So here we are in this website, that is meltingflowers.com, and again we'll repeat the process. So we'll copy the homepage URL. So we copied the URL. Now we'll go to the search bar again. Okay, we are in the search bar again. So again we'll type the command, same command. I hope you have now remembered it. That is site, SITE, colon, without any space, we have to paste the copied URL, that is homepage URL. Now we have to press the search button here. Okay, here it is. So friends, as you can see, for this website we got couple of more pages ranked, in fact indexed by Google. It is not necessary friends, the pages are indexed are necessarily ranked. It's a two different things. Ranking and indexing, two different things. So please don't get confused. This command is only to see the pages indexed by Google, not pages ranked by Google. Okay, so please keep this in mind. So for this website friends, as you can see, there are so many pages ranked, so many internal pages ranked. Like I can see there are some blog pages as well and some service pages. See, there's one gallery pages is ranked. So that means this website has many and plenty of pages, and most of these pages are ranked. It's a good sign for this website, and it will be able to sustain its ranking in the coming days also. So that's a good thing for a website. More pages are ranked, more pages are indexed. That is a good thing. That means you have the possibility of more pages get ranked. Okay, so this is what our video is all about, friends. May I request you to please note down command again for checking the indexed pages of your website, not the ranked pages of the website. Please don't get confused. Again, I am telling you. So command is site without any space, colon without any space, the homepage URL of the website, friends. I better suggest you to paste the homepage URL of the website, not the internal page URL of the website, because homepage is the most important and critical page of the website. So when you paste the homepage URL of the website, you will get more chances of getting more fruitful results. So please follow this and rest do learn something your own and do some experiments. Thank you so much for being with us, friend. Have a great day and happy SEO. Thank you.